I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the prerequisites. You need an admin or sudo account and basic system info. Next, gather OS version, hardware ID, and any existing config files so you know your baseline. Once done, open a terminal or console and change to the working directory where configuration's live. Make a quick backup of critical files before editing. This sets a safe starting point so you can act confidently and avoid accidental breaks as you proceed to inspect live settings. You now inspect the system to find where configuration values originate and how they flow. Start by listing active services, listening ports, and relevant processes so you know what to trace. Then search common locations like /etc, /. Config and application-specific directories for files that contain keys or parameters. Use tools like grep, find, and config parsers to extract candidate entries. Once identified, compare with backups or version history, using diff to map what changed and why. You finish by applying the validated configuration in a controlled test environment and then in production with caution. After applying changes, restart affected services and validate behavior against expected outcomes. Monitor logs and status commands for errors. Make sure to document the exact changes and timestamps. If something goes wrong, revert to the backup you made earlier and inspect recent diffs and logs to find the culprit. Once identified, iterate on the fix and retest until behavior is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.